Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Jola Graphics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create 3D text for your designs. So without any further ado, let's dive straight in. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm showing you guys how you can achieve this as simple and fast as possible. So this is a 3D text which is purely editable. It's a smart object with a lot of layer styles that makes it a cool gradient and shining 3D effect, which you can use for any of your design, like I use here in this design. Let me quickly open it up. So I actually added some other stuff to it, but it was nice as I could see a 3D, like it's like a 3D kind of like golden text going around here in my design. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So actually it's a lot of layers that it's a bit complicated, but I think the best thing for me to do is actually share the file with you guys, where you can actually move to the layer style, edit it to whatever you want. Let's say Williams, and then you just simply save. Then when you save, you just close. By the way, if you don't know how I got to that place, I know it's possible. I double tap on this thumbnail here, and after clicking, you just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you get here and you edit your text and then save and close. Then automatically your design gets here. So whenever you want to use it in your design, you just simply drag this layer to wherever you need it, and then your 3D text will be ready for use. So as you can see over here, the 3D text will be well placed and well arranged for you to use wherever you want it in your designs. So if you find this short tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to get more exposures to more upcoming quality content coming up on this channel. So thank you very much for watching. I am